Hi, my name is Reyansh.
Hello, my name is Victor. We are the Future Airplanes group, and this is our action plan.
So, before I start reading the action plan, I wanted to say we will be having an exhibition glossary. So, you all could see, you all could remember the words you don't understand and look for them in the exhibition glossary. Okay, now back to the action plan. We, citizens of Earth, are in need of a more ecological air transport, and that is why the Future Airplanes Group will be engineering a solar-powered propeller and making a schedule. We are doing this to educate and inspire our audience, mostly the kids, to become future ecological aircraft engineers. We, citizens of Earth, are in need of people like that since the current airplanes pollute the atmosphere severely because of the toxic gases and greenhouse gases they release. These gases contribute to an effect called global warming as they trap sunlight within the Earth's atmosphere. So that was our action plan, and now Victor will be showing our research on our 3 lines of inquiry. Before he gets started, I wanted to share our central idea. Our environment is in need of a more ecological air transport.
So our first line of inquiry is impacts of the current airplanes on the environment. The impacts are global warming, ocean acidification, global dimming, holes in the ozone layer, noise pollution, loss of fossil fuels, release of toxic gas, and birds being shredded in propellers. If you don't know what one of these means, or more than one, then just read the explanation below. Our second line of inquiry is pros and cons of solar-powered airplanes. Here are some pros we found, and here are some cons we found. Take a minute or two to read them. And our last line of inquiry is different ecological air transport. If you're more interested in modern ecological air transport, then read this paragraph. It's about solar-powered airplanes. But if you're more interested in old types of ecological air transport, you can read this paragraph about gliders. So we have here sources, more sources, even more sources, even more sources, even more sources, and more sources.
Now this is our SketchUp.
Of our
So basically we made so this is how it actually looks.
And this is how it looks in the SketchUp. We made actually this first. This was actually the plan of how to make it.
So we're gonna start by showing you the aluminium foil, as you could see on this. Yes, that is the aluminium foil. Now we're gonna go to our 2 meters of copper wire. All that. So as you could see over here, the lines. Now we're gonna go to our square glass pane. So yeah, basically the glass is
The purple thing. The purple thing.
the purple thing. Now we're gonna go to the DC motor. So it's called direct current. It stands for direct current.
Because the electricity only goes from here to here and it doesn't come back.
Yeah, look over here. This is the DC motor, and then as you could see the propeller in the DC motor. And now we're gonna go to the wires wrapped in rubber. Could you see the blue and red wire? Yes, so those are the wires wrapped in rubber.
They connect the DC motor to the solar panel.
This is supposed to be an actual solar panel that actually works, but we kind of failed, so we decided to show it as a model. Now we're gonna go to our glossary. I hope you like did what I told you guys to do in the beginning. So we're gonna give you like 5 minutes to read it. Okay, now if you guys have any questions or comments, you guys could contact the emails. We're gonna give you some time to note it down, like 2 minutes. Thank you.
And also, I'm going to show our posters we made. At the beginning, we didn't know that Corona was going to stop us. But we made some posters that you could read. They're right behind me right now, here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done, boys.